Hi friends, welcome to my Learning Points YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about PHP Functions. Functions is basically a block of statement written for a particular purpose. Suppose we want to know the total marks obtained by a student and there is 100 of student. So we will not going to write my code 100 times. We will just create a function which calculates the total number. We can use functions repeatedly. Functions cannot be run automatically. When we want to run a function, we need to call the function. There is basically two types of functions in PHP. One predefined function and another is user defined function. Predefined functions are those functions which are already defined in PHP libraries. We don't need to write that function, but we will use that function when we need. There are lots of array functions, lots of string functions. We can discuss later with some most used predefined functions. Now suppose we need a such functionality which are not in predefined function. Then we need to create our own function which is called user defined functions. Keep in mind while declaring user defined function, these functions cannot be start with any special character. Function's name should not be matched with any other predefined functions. To declare a PHP function, we need to use the functions keyword. Here's the function name, and after that we need to provide our function's name. And within the parentheses, we need to write our codes. Let's take an example to make it more clear. So I am declaring a function with the function keyword and my function name is my function. I am trying to print something with the use of my function. I am trying to echo the learning points. Function will not call automatically. So we need to call this function in our PHP tag. So I am trying to echo my function and calling with my function name. So if we run this program, we can see the output is learning points. Now I am going to create another functions and I will show you in the function we are passing arguments. So I am going to add two functions. My function name is add number and in argument I am passing two values $x and the $y, and I am calling the functions in the same way as previous. I am calling the functions echo add number, and we are passing the two values, that is 10 and 2, which we'll use in the original functions $x and $y. So I am going to add this function and I try to return the value of sum of x and y. So if we run this program, then what will be the output? So here we can see the output is 30. That means in the function I am passing 10 and 20 and these functions is adding and returning the value. Now I am storing the addition of x and y into the z variable. So if we return z and run this program, we will get the same output. So in this video, we can understand the types of PHP functions, how to create PHP functions, how to call a functions, and how to pass a value to the functions. Hope you understand this tutorial. Keep watching this tutorial. Next day I will discuss about PHP loop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel for more video. Don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. I will keep try to answer you everything. We will see in our next video. Thank you.